The reach and the visibility is of course much more when you do an American movie. But I think the idea and what really drives me is the film itself.
दीपिका, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। दीपिका, इंडिया को आप रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले कितना प्राउड फील करती है? क्योंकि इससे पहले ऐश्वर्या आप रिप्रेजेंट कर चुकी है, प्रियंका रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है, तो आप कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं इस बात को लेकर?
Well, it's amazing. I think it's the same feeling as when you're an athlete and you're if you're in the if you're in the national team and you're representing your country, it's a similar feeling. And I mean, that sentiment goes without saying. It's not just when I'm representing India globally, but I feel that sentiment even when I'm working in India. I feel I feel silly that I even have to say it, that I'm proud of of who I am and where I come from, and that goes without saying. And then of course I think as far as Cannes specifically is concerned, I think the fact that being a woman, of course, there's the beauty aspect to it, and then being an actor, there's the film aspect to it, where you get to watch some of the best films in the world come together. So it's sort of the best of both worlds, and like I've been saying, there's so much legacy that's attached to the Cannes Film Festival, the kind of people who attend, the the kind of directors who are going to be there. So I think all of that put together, I think it's going to be an amazing experience. And obviously I'm proud of not just representing the brand, but also representing the country.
दीपिका, इसके अलावा प्रियंका ने रिसेंटली आपके लिए स्टैंड लिया है कि जब अमेरिकन मीडिया ने आपको प्रियंका करके पुकारा था, तो प्रियंका ने भी आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा स्टैंड लिया, तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
Well, absolutely. I think that, and it's not just about me being offended. Every single one of you in this room should be offended, because it's not just ignorance, but it's also racist. Two people of similar color are not the same people. And so as you as fellow Indians should actually be calling them out and educating them instead of, encouraging it. You should actually be educating them.
Okay, दीपिका, अगले साल क्या पद्मावती को लेकर इस रेड कारपेट पर जाना चाहेंगे, वहाँ प्रमोट करना चाहेंगे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह की शूटिंग क्या कहाँ पहुँची?
That would be the most ideal case for me. Have we considered that ever?
Well,
but I think, well, let's see. I mean, I think every film has its own sort of journey, and if it's meant to happen, it will happen. As far as I know, Padmavati is definitely scheduled to release in, I think, November this year, and that's what it is for now. But if life has different plans for us and for this film, then let's see. And if not Padmavati, then maybe some other film.
Deepika, hi. So on a lighter note, are you going to be going for Justin Bieber's concert?
No.
No? And you're really young for a general manager. How old are you?
my God.
That's our cue to leave the room, guys. Come on.
Well, firstly, I work for L'Oreal. So you need to realize that I work for the world's #1 beauty company. So I need to look and feel and represent the brand in the right way possible. So irrespective whether I might not look my age, but I definitely represent L'Oreal Paris for sure, which helps me, as she said, enhance.
What does you representing L'Oreal Paris have to do with how young you look?
Well, but I'm 36, so I'm not that young.
Perfect. It's the true match. It's perfect.
Yeah, Deepika, after Rabta, Kirti Sanon quoted, she got a girl crush on you. So what do you want to say about this?
Well, I'm extremely fond of her. She's a lovely girl. I think that's a huge compliment. And I wish them all the best. I really hope that the film does very, very well for them. They're both amazingly very, very talented people. Dinesh, my friend, is directing the movie. Maddock Films is I've done some amazing work with them. So I wish them all the best, and I hope the film does well.
Deepika, hi, it's Ankita. First of all, you're looking gorgeous today.
Thank you.
And whenever you wear any outfit, is it your stylist which choose or you have a say in that? Because your stylist has been gathering a lot of flack these days regarding the outfits. So, any comments on that?
Wow.
But you're looking gorgeous today, yeah.
Thank you. Like I said, I think it's all a collective decision. We work as teams, the same way we do in movies. We work together to create a film, and same way we work together to create a look. And sometimes you might like what I wear, like today, and sometimes you might not like what I wear, and that's totally okay. I'm not dressing for you, my love. I'm dressing for myself. So as long as I'm having fun doing what I do on the red carpet, nothing else matters.
Hi Deepika, here. Hi. So after the success of XXX, and then you've been representing India on international platforms, so how is Hollywood treating you on the whole, and will we be expecting you in some more Hollywood movies?
Well, you should expect me in movies, general. I don't like the distinction between certain types of films. The language is different, yes, of course, and the reach and the visibility is of course much more when you do an American movie. But I think the idea and what really drives me is the film itself and the challenges that come with doing certain films, and that's what I'm really looking forward to the most.
हाय दीपिका, आप हाल ही में रूही और यश से मिले, रणवीर के साथ गए थे आप लोग करण के ट्विंस से, कैसा रहा, कैसे हैं, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे?
That's far too personal a question, so I wouldn't answer that.
Okay, दूसरा सवाल है कि रणवीर और आप हमेशा चर्चा में रहते हैं, कभी आपका अफेयर होता है, कभी नहीं होता है, उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
You mean Raghjit?
Yeah. Because आज हम Cannes election के साथ अफेयर की बात कर रहे हैं.
Hi Deepika, here. Hi, I'm Renuka. Deepika, little more to what you just said previously, that it's racist when different people are called the same name because they're the same color. And I think if you have noticed, Indian media was very offended when you met Novak Djokovic and they just called you this leggy lass or whatever, and you were the one who wrote to everybody saying that's not right, and you're one of the most finest actors we have here. So what is the reaction when you go abroad? That does the ignorance sometimes kind of make you wonder that, why is it the way it is?
No, because ignorance is ignorance. That has nothing to do with, I feel bad for them. I feel bad for their ignorance. Yeah.
Hi Deepika, Hi Deepika. Deepika, recently we interviewed Katrina and she really loved your look from Rapta's song, and she really complimented the way you are looking. How do you react to such compliments which come your way?
I think compliments are always great.
Welcome.
And especially when they come from contemporaries, it's even better. So thank you for that. And I've always admired and appreciated what she's done with her life and her career. And I'm sure it's not been an easy journey, and I've always admired and appreciated that.
The last question.
In India, so I think every year there's some.
यहाँ focus करो, कहाँ गई?
कहाँ?
भाग गई. Ah, she's there.
Like right there. Okay, perfect. But in terms of trends, I think trends evolve, and I think there are a lot of influencers here who are in a better position than me to say how trends have evolved. But I think every year there's something or the other new. This year is all about matte. Now matte is a big trend when it comes to lipsticks, and that's what people normally like to wear, whether in terms of long wear, whether in terms of the intensity, color. So that's the way makeup is evolving. Similarly, hair care, hair color, you see a lot of people wearing highlights, you see people doing different hair color. So that's how the entire cosmetic market is evolving. So it's not a specific product, but as you go along, you see different trends that come.
All right, that is the last question. Thank you so much, our friends from the electronic media. And now do join us for lunch. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you, Raghjit.